Well, today we're doing a bathroom reno. Here's our water pipes going upstairs, hot, cold. We're gonna have to cut it here and here, temporarily block the water off. There is no shutoffs other than the main valve to the house. So we've got the main valve turned off to the house. And we will put in this guy here, push and connect. This here will terminate the line temporarily till we have our demo finished. It's a 1/2-inch test cap. It just pushes right on to the copper right after we've cut the pipe. So let's cut the pipe and install a push and connect. We will cut the copper with this guy here. We turn it. As we turn it, we tighten it up. Water's turned off in the house right now. Keep turning it. It's gonna cut it nicely. A little bit of water coming out. Just keep going. Water pressure is released. What water was in the line. There you go. Now that we've got a nice clean cut, we're going to give it a little bit of sanding. Smooth it off a little bit there, make it nice and fresh. Whoops. Hard to do with one hand. We'll clean that up nicely. Go. Well, here you go. We put this slides on nicely. We'll get that lid on there nicely. There you go. We will put another one in over here, the hot and cold. We'll be able to turn the water back on. No more soldering. Perfect. Well, there you have it. Both caps are on. We can turn the water back on. And once we've ran our PEX, we will take this off by pushing this here, release, taking it off, and putting a PEX adapter on here that's quick fit also. Quick fit onto here, and quick fit PEX in. We'll catch that in the next, a little later on in the video. We're going to remove this quick, what do you call it? Quick connect? Yeah, this quick connect. We're going to remove this quick connect adapter here. We're going to reuse it. We have to push this plastic in here, so you put the pliers up against it, pull it forward. So there we go. Comes off just like that. Good. Yeah. There you go. You can reuse this next time in your next renovation. Well, as you can see, these things work so well, I ended up using them in 2 more locations in the same bathroom renovation. Works great. Hope this works for you and helps you out in your renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.